Volkswagen infotainment systems found in models from 2018 onward, including MIB, MIB3, and MIB4, require regular updates to maintain security, add new features, and ensure compatibility with devices like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The traditional USB method involves downloading the update file from Volkswagen's website or the My Volkswagen app onto a USB drive. Then plug the drive into your car's USB port and follow the on-screen instructions. This method works well for older models or when you're offline. Over-the-air or OTA updates are wireless and increasingly common, available on most 2022 and newer Volkswagen models. They require an active WeConnect subscription and download automatically via the vehicle's SIM card or Wi-Fi connection. OTA updates fix software bugs, add new features like voice assistance, and ensure your system meets regulatory requirements. As of mid-2025, over 60% of eligible Volkswagen models support OTA updates. Remember to always check your vehicle's VIN number to confirm update compatibility and options. Maps updates for your VW navigation system are crucial for accurate routing and points of interest. VW uses Here Maps, with quarterly updates available via USB or OTA. Recent enhancements include real-time traffic integration using the Google Maps API. For CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless functionality is standard in 2023 Plus models. Infotainment updates improve pairing speed, app mirroring, and compatibility with the latest iOS and Android versions, including split-screen multitasking. To update maps via USB, download the latest version from VW, insert the USB into your car, and follow the prompts. Note that map updates may require a paid subscription. For OTA updates, ensure your WeConnect subscription is active and your vehicle is connected. These updates improve overall system performance and functionality, aligning with VW's goal of long-term software support.